Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Before we do first derivative, we multiply 2s by s squared and number 1. We will have about 2s to the power of 3 and 2s. Next, we have the formula in here. We have y equal to s to the power of n. If I do first derivative, we will have about n multiplied by s to the power of n minus 1. So if I do first derivative in here, we will have about 3s to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 2 s in here just like about number 1, so that should be about 1s to the power of 1 minus 1. So number 2 with number 3 you got about number 6. 3 minus 1 you got about 2. This one 2 with 1 is about 2. S to the power of 0 you got about 1. So this is the answer for the question in here. Now let's go to the question number 2. In this one, we can write into s minus 2 to the power of negative number 1. So we will apply same formula in here. And if we do first derivative, we will have about negative number 1 go in here. S minus 2 to the power of negative number 1 minus number 1. Because we still have s minus 2, so we continue to first derivative in here. This one you have negative number 2. This one we have negative. First derivative of s, we will have about number 1. First derivative of number 2, you got about 0. So if we simplify this one, we have negative s minus 2 to the power of negative number 2. So we simplify, that should be about negative number 1 over s minus 2 to the power of 2. And this is the final answer. Question number 3, we can apply about quotient rule of derivative. So we have y equals to a over b. So if I do first derivative, we will do about first derivative of a multiplied by b minus first derivative of b multiplied by a over b squared. Now we apply this one in here. So we do first derivative of s multiplied by e to the power of s minus we do first derivative of e to the power of s multiplied by s over e to the power of 2s. This one you got about number 1. This one we have e to the power of s. And now this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.